Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix USB interface not found Ross-Tech VCDS driver error. And the first thing you can try is to disable your antivirus. Just go on your antivirus, go under your device security, and go where it says core isolation details. Make sure that this is off. Turn it off, and afterwards go where it says virus and threat protection, and under here go where it says manage settings, and you can turn all this off. Restart your computer and try again. And if you're still facing the same error, then you can try the second solution. The other thing you can try is to go on the website, type in VCDS, go on this link that says Ross-Tech. Under here, download the VCDS drivers. Download it and install it in your computer. And once you install it in your computer, then you have to find the location where it is installed in. For an example, like C Ross-Tech VCDS. After you open this, make sure you go where it says DPI. Install this program. Run it as administrator and install it. And once you do that, you're done.